What are you going to do?
I'm gonna do my ABCs backwards.
Backwards? Okay.
Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, M, N, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, Z, C, B, A, B, C. Now I said my ABCs backwards. A, B, I walk backwards.
Good job.
Then you have to do this at the end.
Oh, you do? You have to fall down at the end?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Did I see that?